Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it's a bit different of all my other videos. So this is about my side hustle, which is fire alarm programming.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go.
It's We are going to program this new, not really new panel. It's an old fire alarm panel from Mall of Asia, which is another mall we're going to buy, which is the Mall of America. So I'll show you how will I program this panel, switching from the old to the new. So to get to where am I going, I'm using this device which I bought in Amazon, and it's not really expensive. And yeah, that's where I want to change Mall of Asia into the new mall. I mean the new owner, which is Mall of America. So we will change it in a few minutes. And for a bit of a history, guys, Mall of Asia really exists, and I want to show you where it is. It's here in Manila, Philippines. So yeah, you can Google it. There is a really Mall of Asia. And now this panel will go to the United States, where is Mall of America located in, where is it? Minneapolis. It's here. Okay. So, yeah, we're gonna program this fire alarm panel, and stay tuned. Okay guys, so how to do the changing of this name here from Mall of Asia into Mall of America. We're gonna use a computer, and for sure it's not that hard, but it's not that easy if we're new here. Now we're gonna start it with a new version through this to the new version job, and we'll have a comment here, ver that 2.1 and click OK. So now go to main display, and we'll just change it. We have this Mall of Asia into, change the word America. Is that right? And now you will just connect it here, and we'll see our panel. It shows trouble because it's still connecting, guys. System configurator connected, but we'll just wait. We can press the trouble button just to turn off this, to silence this one. But you can see there's still, if you can see, there's still trouble because the light is on. Now we're gonna send this here, then we'll wait. It says jobs will, an incremental job send will be performed using job. Okay, and this one, say yes. Then system configuration in process. I can still press. So we're good for now until the beep will stop. And then I'll press this job downloaded to panel successfully. Okay. And you have to press connect here, or disconnect. See? Watch our panel. What will happen? Just few more minutes, and the trouble is gone, clear. And look guys, look what happened to our panel. Mall of America. It changes. It changed now. So I hope you will like whatever I've done here. So if you want to know more about fire alarm programming, servicing, like fixing everything, I will put the link below. This is the YouTube of my professor in the fire alarm learning or knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe on his channel also. Just watch out for my next video regarding about fire alarm programming, and if you want to request what else you want to learn about fire alarm, just give a comment below. Thank you for the support, guys, and I hope you will like and subscribe on my channel if you're new to here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.